to find a teddy bear. Oh, I might as well just do that now. Fuck it. I'm gonna steal the watch just in case. Danny! You always have a teddy bear, what the fuck? Idiots. Goddamn on teddy bear having people. Who's on my hit list of cops? Officer Anthony. I need to do that twice. Okay, well, fuck, I'll go find Officer Anthony. There he is. Do you think I could take him? Do a few of these. Wait. Okay. Damn, I made fucking bank on that one. Holy shit. Okay, so I have the work key mold. How do I get molten plastic? Oh, I know. I have a fight going on. Is he on my list? Forever? No. Sorry. Oh, bitch. I'm just gonna take all those. I still need to beat up Trevor. And I need a teddy bear. I'm gonna go to the payphone. I'm gonna go to the payphone and... Wait, did somebody ask for a watch? Bottle of medicine, hand cream, and cookies. Bottle of medicine, hand... Okay, we can do that another day. No. Bro. Hand cream for Duggery. Wait, no. That's not hand cream. Medicine for Puggles. Sorry. I'm actually gonna buy that. I'm gonna buy that. Cool.
Hi, name, I'm the server manager for Pinky Craft, the pony roleplay Minecraft server that you play on. On behalf of the owner, the staff team and myself, I would like to personally extend my thanks to you for the $1,000 you forked up to help keep our server alive.
Yeah, no
Our
worries,
modeler is
dude.
happily working on the custom pony character that came with the donor package. However, I regret to inform you that we don't currently have a way to send you the 20 inches horse shaft you requested, but our team is working.
Hey man, appreciate it. Thought I could support a serious cause in my opinion. I literally, listen buddy, I literally need a teddy bear, okay? You're not gonna, how can you expect me not to grab that? Dude, what the Bro! Why do they hate me? No fucking way, dude. I just lost everything. Bro, I just lost everything. Oh my fucking god. Here's your fucking teddy bear, you jackass. Dude, I lost everything. Oh, you forgot to switch the names? Oh, never mind. No, I didn't. Oh, I lost my fucking nunchucks, though.
Bring back Melvin, bring back Melvin, bring back Melvin, bring back Melvin.